Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another exclusive video. So yes, we're in the Junction, just taking a look on the progress of work in the Junction Road Improvement Project. You know, they're digging down the hillside to reduce landslides. So this is where the project starts. I also will be doing a drone video as well, so it will either come up before or after this video. So we're seeing they're digging out here. I'm thinking to put drainage and reinforcement barrier to prevent vehicles going over into the river. The river is right on the left. So this project is way behind schedule, way behind budget. It has gone billions of dollars and it's still not yet finished. But just giving you guys an update on what's happening. So if you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. So we're seeing some steel work right here for the barrier, reinforcement barrier. And after you subscribe, guys, remember to like the video and leave a comment as well. Let me know what you think about this project. I've done a few updates on it before. What I'll try to do is to put the link for the very first update I did on it, so you guys see where it's coming from. But it's moving super slow. You know, probably the St. Thomas Road Improvement Project, you know, end up finished before this one. But we know the terrain is difficult. It's way up in the hills. It's also a local, not that we're condemning our local contractor, because we want to see them get more work. But it is a local contractor that has this project. We know almost every other road project, it's the China Arbor Engineering Company that gets it. So I'm not sure if that has played a role in the progress of this work and the delays and you know, over budget and everything. But let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know what you think. So again, this is just driving through the Junction just to show you guys a good look on the progress of the work. So in some areas they have repaved it. I don't think it's the final paving. In some areas the reinforcement concrete to hold in the landslide, and also on the left to provide some safety from going over the river in case of an accident. In some areas that's complete. So we're just going through, taking a look. So leave your comment, guys. Enjoy the drive. And let's take a look at the Junction Road Improvement Project here in St. Mary, Jamaica. guys, so we're still on the Junction main road. This area has a lot more flat lands, which is easier to work with. So all this section is basically complete. Not much work needs to be done, or not much more work needs to be done. So again, just highlighting the entire road in terms of what has taken place, what is taking place, and what is still left to be done. Alright, let's get back on the drive. Alright, so we have some beautiful coconut trees on the right. I think this is a part of a coconut factory. I didn't catch the name, there was a sign. But some farming happening out this side. Beautiful sunny afternoon right here in St. Mary. So basically, as you know, I've finished the roadway in terms of the Junction Road Improvement Project. So definitely leave your comments. Remember to like, remember to share, and just let me know your thoughts in terms of the progress of the work. We're seeing that most of the work is, you know, up in the steep sections, but you know, the flat areas like here is basically finished. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all your comments, and thanks for all you do. Remember our sponsor as well. This video wouldn't be possible without them. So not only they're sponsoring this video, but you know, a number of videos as well. Remember to follow them, go check them out, you know, refer someone to them as well.